So over here, we have our scene from the previous lesson where we have added in collide onto the shapes. So this is the shapes and all of them has collide and dynamic physics applied to them. And if I were to go to scene right here, then let's see what happens. You can see that all of the shapes, they collide and then end up over here. So what I can do is I'm going to go into shape now. So collide is a feature that is added when you click on dynamic physics, and you can also disable that. So I'm going to select green and then disable the collide by clicking on this one. I'm going to go over here, disable the collide on this one as well, disable on 3 of these spheres. So let's just go around. 4 of the spheres now does not have collide in them. So what happens in turn is if I were to go to record, all of them actually drop in. So the gravity acts on them, but what happens is that the collision is not a part of them anymore. So let us just go over here and refresh it out. So as they fall, I can actually click and drag this out just like this. But what happens is that the collision does not take place. So it does not actually collide with any other objects. So for some reason, you do not want the collide to be there, but still want the physics to take effect onto the objects, then you simply disable the collide, and that is how everything behaves out. And that is how you can work with physics behavior without collide in objects. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.